Hi guys, thank you so much for watching my channel The Witty Turtle, and today we are going to discuss a foolproof study plan for paper number 11, that is indirect taxation. So as this is a technical paper and this has a lot of concepts, lot of laws and stuff. So in my opinion, it's better to take classes if possible. Okay, so अगर आप लोग classes लेने वाले हो, if you're going to take classes, in that case these are a few teachers whose classes you can purchase. CA Sanjay Mundra sir, CA Suraj Agarwal sir, CA Pankaj Saravgi sir, and CA Nikunj Goenka sir. So there are 4 teachers who teach IDT in a very proper way, right? So that आपका सारा concept एकदम clear हो जाएगा. बट अभी हम लोग ये जानने वाले हैं कि इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू टेक दीज क्लासेस देन व्हाट यू कैन डू, राइट? अगर आप क्लासेस नहीं भी ले पा रहे हो, इन दैट केस यू आर गेटिंग plenty of classes available on YouTube. So we are going to discuss a study plan in which I'll tell you you have to do which chapter, you have to complete which chapter in how many days, and you can refer which chapter from which YouTuber, right? So first of all, we will focus on GST. So I have divided the syllabus into 2 parts. So first of all, let's talk about GST. Your first chapter is introduction. So introduction will take you maximum 1 day because it is of only 7 or 8 pages. So introduction khatam ho gaya, and after that you're going to study levy and collection. So this chapter is very important because you might get short questions from this chapter, and this chapter itself consists of 3 or 4 sub chapters like supply, फिर कंपोजिशन लेवी, फिर आपका यहाँ पर आता है जो एग्जेम्पशंस हैं वो सब इसी चैप्टर में ही कवर्ड है. सो दिस चैप्टर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड इट विल टेक यू around 10 days to complete this chapter. And after this chapter gets completed, you will get a fair knowledge, a rough idea on what actually IDT is. So after that you can go for time of supply. It will take you 1 day maximum. For this you can refer CA Jasmeet Singh sir. And for place of supply I suggest you please refer CA Jasmeet Singh sir because इन्होंने पूरा CMA का जो ICMAI MAT है वो उन्होंने cover किया है. He has taught this particular chapter place of supply from our ICMAI MAT. So this will be very easier for you if you refer his classes on YouTube. And after that, value of supply, you can refer CA Jasmeet Singh sir, or you can refer CA Vivek Gaba sir for this. Okay. So after this, from your book, study note number 3 also gets completed. Study note number 3 consists of these 3 chapters. After that, you're going to study registration. Registration will hardly take you 2 days. Okay, and after that you can go for input tax credit. ITC chapter it can be completed in 4 days, and after that returns in all kinds of returns in GST, that will take you 2 days. And uske baad bhi there are a few chapters which are there in CMA syllabus, but it is not there in CA ka syllabus. Okay, it is there in CMA syllabus but not there in CA syllabus. So all those chapters you need to study by yourself, or you can search for a few classes on YouTube. So rest all chapters it will take you maximum 2 days. So your GST syllabus will be completed in 27 days. Okay, and after that I'm coming to customs. So customs का जो basic है that will be completed in 1 day. Then types of duties, it is I think of 15 or 16 pages. It can also be completed in 1 day. Then comes the important chapter, that is your valuation, and you can expect at least 1 numerical from this chapter. That is your that can be completed in 2 days. And after that, import and export. Import and export can also be completed in 2 days. So total 6 days it will take you to complete customs syllabus. So overall a total of 33 days you have to contribute to indirect taxation paper. And whatever plan I have made, I have made it in such a way that if you study 4 to 5 hours in a day, so if you study 4 to 5 hours in a day, so in that case your syllabus will be completed in 33 days. So according to your situation and your feasibility, you can alter these days, but yeah, make sure that if you are going to study for 4 to 5 hours every day, then only first chapter will be completed in one day. If you're studying GST for 2 hours in a day, then it will again take you 2 days, right? I hope you understood the ratio. So मैंने इसको इसी हिसाब से बताया है. अगर आप थोड़ा टाइम ज़्यादा या कम करना चाहते हैं, so you can approximately adjust it. Okay. So yeah, this was my study plan for indirect taxation, and I think 27 days में GST और फिर 33 days में आपका जो customs 6 days में आपका जो customs है वो एकदम अच्छी तरह से complete हो जाएगा. एंड कस्टम्स के क्लासेस के लिए यू कैन रेफर ईदर CA विवेक गाबा सर और there are a few other coaching classes like Dhruv coaching classes or something like that is there. You can also refer that. उनके भी classes अच्छे हैं. But in my opinion, you should go for CA Vivek Gaba sir because उनके playlist में you can check there is a playlist called GST की कहानी. You can refer that for complete classes or revision of these chapters of GST, and classes for customs are also there. So that is your one-step solution for every chapter. Okay. So I hope you understood this study plan and you find it relatable. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, share with your CMA friends, and subscribe to my channel The Witty Turtle. And if you have not joined my Telegram group, then the link is given in the description box below. Please go and check it out.